Okay, now that everybody knows that I'm crazy about axes and that I collect them, let's talk about one of my prized possessions. This is a Council Tool Jersey Classic Bevel. It has a USA 25 forged in the fourth quarter stamp. That's what these dots are here. Council Tool logo. About like a 28-inch curved handle. Yeah, this is like a $110 piece of steel. Anyways, Council Fire, Council Tool Company, United States of America, Carolinas, baby. Get you a Council tool, man. Help the community, help the country.